Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Elon Xmas token. Ticker symbol is ELONX. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 24th at 12 o'clock UTC time. This token video was also a viewer request. Somebody left in the comments saying, hey, go check out this token. So now we're going to review this token here, the Elon Xmas token. We're going to go over the info on it and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can check out their Telegram at Elonx BSC 2023. They have 21,426 Telegram members, 1,121 online, doing very well on their socials. This is a Binance Smart Chain token. According to their BSC scan, they already have 1,235 holders. There is 9 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply. There's a lot of tokens here, so that's a million, billion, trillion, 422 quadrillion, 23 trillion, 122 billion, 500 million Elon X tokens. And this is very much a meme coin in time for the Christmas season. As you can see, I'm all dressed up for Christmas in the holiday spirit. But this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing Christmas Eve, December 24th, 12 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Elon X, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their official webpage is elonxmas.xyz. Over there you can find a buy now button that'll take you over to PancakeSwap. If you did want to get this token prior to the Mexc Global listing, you can get it off PancakeSwap right now. That's where those 1,000 something holders got it from already. So all you would have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for the Elon X token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, elonxmas.xyz. Now, you probably won't have to worry about slippage too much because it says buy and sell tax is 0%. And yeah, you can find a link to PancakeSwap on their webpage. You can find a link to their BSC scan, their contract address, their tokenomics right at the very top of the webpage. You can't miss it there. So they also have a roadmap on here. Of course, lots of memes. So what is Elon Xmas? Well, Elon Xmas embodies the joy and wonder of the holiday season, infused with the futuristic flair that only Elon Musk can bring. Imagine a world where Santa's sleigh is a Cybertruck, powered by renewable energy and spreading cheer across the blockchain. This isn't your typical meme coin. It's a celebration of innovation, generosity, and the boundless potential of the crypto universe. With Elon Xmas, we're not just riding the sleigh of tradition, we're soaring into the future on a rocket ship of possibility. This isn't just about creating a coin, it's about creating a community united by the belief that the holiday spirit and technological innovation can coexist in perfect harmony. So token distribution, it says, unlike other cryptocurrencies, transactions with the Elon Xmas token will be themed around sleigh riders. Each transaction will be likened to an adventurous sleigh ride, allowing holders to experience the thrill and joy of dashing through the snow. I have no idea what that means, but there is 0% tax, and their roadmap is kind of it's a very meme roadmap. Now, it's not an actual roadmap. It says phase 1, 1 million market cap. Phase 2, 50 million market cap. Phase 3, 100 million market cap. This is very much a meme token. Basically offers zero to no utility. Now, they do have a meme gallery on their webpage that you could check out, which is basically just a whole bunch of pictures of Elon Musk with Santa stuff and X behind him, and he's got a Santa hat and whatnot and all this stuff. At the very bottom of their webpage, you could find all sorts of links like Pancake Swap, there's Dex Tools, PooCoin, their BSC scan. Now, the cool thing about Dex Tools is that you can find some audits on there. We're going to check that out in 1 second here to see the security on this token. But they also have Aave.ai's on here, DexView, Dex Screener, Medium articles, Twitter, Telegram, Reddit, YouTube channel, and a GitHub, all at the bottom of elonxmas.xyz. So like I said, if we go over to their Dex Tools chart here, it says right now they have $71,960 in locked liquidity on Pancake Swap. There is a market cap right now of $1.16 million. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $112,490. There is a Dex score of 65 out of 99. Now, their community trust vote, there's only one vote. I don't even know how this makes sense. It's one vote and it's 40-60, so that makes something's wrong there. That doesn't make any sense. But you can check out their audits. You click on check audits, and it'll take you over to a few different audits. Now, there's a quick intel audit, token sniffer, and a Go Plus security audit. And it says there is no alerts on any of them. Contract is verified, no honeypot, no buy and sell tax, no proxy contract, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, can't blacklist, can't pause transfers, etc. It goes all the way down. Now, keep in mind, these are just quick audits. These are not full audits. So when they do come out with a full audit, and hopefully they do, and a KYC and all that stuff, then you can review even more security. But as of now, there's no alerts on there. Now, you can check out more information by going over their 57 tweets at Elon_Xmas. And it says, where the magic of Christmas meets the innovation of Elon Musk. They have 5,665 followers on their Twitter. And they have a webpage and a Telegram link and the contract address. All linked on there. I'm going to put it in the corner of the screen so you guys can easily find this project. Has like a link tree basically in their pinned tweet there as well. And then they obviously talk about their new Mexc global listing coming up as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about the Elon X token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.